Have you ever wondered why do neutrons exist? They have no charge, they don't attract or repel anything. So why does the universe even bother creating them? A similar question was asked to me by Dhwaj Sharma recently, and let me clear it for you. This question straight up takes us to one of the biggest mysteries of the universe. A mystery that India is trying to decode through the ICNSC experiment being conducted at Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Let's go back to the beginning of the universe, the Big Bang. When the first atoms were forming, they had positively charged protons in their nucleus. But then there was a problem. When you put two protons together, they repel each other, just like two like-pole magnets. And that's where neutrons come in. They act like a nuclear glue, holding the protons together inside the atom through something called strong force, which maintains the stability of the atom. Without the neutrons, the entire universe would collapse. But here is where it gets crazier. When neutrons die, they release some sort of a ghost, which we call neutrinos. These particles are so tiny that millions of them pass through your body every second. Since years, nobody was able to tell what these particles do and how do these particles even exist. And that's where the BARC team jumped in. They started to conduct the ICNSC experiment to detect these ghostly particles through something called coherent neutrino nucleus scattering. Basically, they're using ultra-sensitive sapphire detectors to catch the faintest neutrino taps when it bumps into an atom. And here's why that's mind-blowing. These tiny taps might help scientists discover some entirely different field of physics. So yes, the universe had to create neutrons for balance, and from balance came creation. Dhwaj, I hope you understood it now. Also, don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe because I keep on bringing these things to you on a daily basis, and there's no harm in learning new things about the universe that you are a part of.